Hello, I'm Ga-hee, the head of the coffee education department at Bean for You Flower Coffee Academy. Well, from now on, I'll give you some tips on how to do latte art well. What did you just see? The picture is disappearing. To draw a good picture, you need to know the principle of falling. If you watch this video to the end and follow it, you will be able to draw better pictures. Shall we go to the amazing world of latte art where the picture disappears like magic? Soon, I will solve your curiosity about this phenomenon that the picture disappears. This is the principle of falling. It's amazing even when I look back. From now on, I will show you the best and worst of latte art using the principle of falling. Now, let's start. Think about why this picture is the best. Then, I'll show you again. Next is the worst. Watch it carefully. The milk is being streamed smoothly. I'll show you that even if you make a good velvet foam, the picture may not be drawn. Break the bubbles. To break the milk foam, lightly tap the steam pitcher. After mixing vigorously, I'll draw it away. Do you know why the picture is not drawn? If the cup and steam pitcher spout are apart like this, the picture will become whitish. The steam pitcher must be kept low at all times. Please keep the cup and pitcher spout close together. Don't forget that the spout of the steam pitcher should be close to the cup so that the picture can be drawn well. This time, let's compare them simultaneously. If you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe. For latte art education, come to Binfu Flower Coffee Academy, where latte art champions teach directly.